So, welcome back, Watch Addicts. It's that time again. It's Watch Gang Day. So, let's see whether or not it's the good, the bad, or the why on earth. You're all saying, I know what you're saying, it's going to be the bad. So, let's get it open. No messing about. Okay. Let's get it open. Let's see what we've got. Oh, we've got 4th of July event wheel. Let's get rid of that. So what's this? Oh, JM. Well, we all know what JM is, but do we know what TH is? Wearing my Tag Heuer today. Love this watch. Automatic. Fantastic. Superb. Now, I know this isn't going to be anywhere near as good as that. So, let's see what we've got. Oh, it's got a motorbike on the front. I think I know what watch this is. It's not the Scrambler. It's let's just get into it. Let's get into it. James McCabe. Is it a pull-up? No. Oh, it's a hinged. So, are we ready? Is it the good, the bad, or the ugly? 3, 2, 1. Oh, the usual rubbish. So, oh, you ready? Oh, what the hell? Green! Watch Gang, what the hell are you doing? You know I don't like green watches, but that was James McCabe, and I do like the James McCabe brand, but I have got quite a few James McCabe's, but this isn't one that I like. Probably like it if it was in a different colour, Watch Gang. But you know, it's not my colour. I'm sure yous are doing it just to piss me off. But what will piss you off is 2 more months and then I'm going to be cancelling because I'm not putting up with shite. Oh, and there's eBay. That's probably a better watch for like 50 quid. So, is this watch worth the $150 of admission? For me, no. This is probably worth maybe $60 of admission. Well, it hasn't even got a second hand on it. So, £2,100 watch or £150 watch. I know what I'd rather spend my money on. Even though I have spent it on this crap. But let's have a look. Let's see what we've got. It's not even a milled clasp, it's just a press clasp. Oh, has this got the price on it? No price on it, but that's, can we get a close up of that? So that's part number. And so what have we got here? Is it a limited? 1049. All stainless steel, James McCabe. And it's only 5 atoms again. What are you doing? Can't go swimming in this. Jesus, I can't go diving in it either. Good job I've got 170, 80, maybe 90 watches. Well, anyway, I don't know what you lot think of this. It's not my cup of tea again. So this is another lemon on the list. So how many is that in a row? That's about six on the trot, I think. Maybe 5 on the trot I've not liked. Like I say, if it was in a different colour, it might, it might have appealed to me, but I'm sorry. It's another no-no. Oh look. Got a strap for it. I wonder if that strap would be better on it. What do you reckon? I think that looks better than the metal strap. Yeah, I think that looks better than the metal strap on it. There's only a cheap strap on it. So I think that would go on it better, but the thing is, this is just going to go in the box and it's not going to get warm. So, sorry watch gang, that's another no-no. Unless you start upping your game, because $150 in this day and age, that's my electricity bill. $150. So, instead of buying that, I can pay my electricity bill. But as you probably know, I use solar panels. So I actually got a rebate of £107.80. So that was good. But yeah, I thought I had a scratch on that then. Not keen on this one, sorry watch gang. It's another no-no. Anyway guys, hopefully I'll be out on the bike at the weekend. I did order a new cassette for my trek, because hopefully if I get the day off on Friday or Saturday, I'll be going out on the bike. Not going to tell you where, but hopefully I'll be out on the trek, because I've bought some new tyres. So I know they've been reviewed so many times, but I've bought the Schwalbe Hurricane, or Schwalbe Hurricanes 2.0s. So I'm going to compare them to the Continental Double Fighters and see how much better they are, see if they roll better, and see if I like them better. I've already weighed them. They are lighter than the Double Fighters. Not a whole lot lighter, but they are lighter than the Double Fighters, so that's a bonus. And I say, I did order a new cassette for the trek, and they've sent me the wrong one, so that's got to go back in the morning, so I'm not very happy about that. So thanks a lot guys for what's his name in messing my plans up. So anyway, that's the new watch. It is June, it is the 5th, and that will go, they'll go in the box later, they'll go in the watch box after, and it'll probably stay there. Let's put that back on there. I love the cover of that though, look at that. Ah, I just remembered what it is. It's the Sturgis watch. Motorbikes, it's the Sturgis watch. Still don't like it in the green. Oh, and I just remembered, that was also given out in March to some other people. So they must have had a big backlog of them, couldn't get rid of them. that many people are now cancelling. I have had a lot of people message me to say that they've cancelled the WatchGround subscription because they're not happy with the watches that they're getting. But maybe I might cancel the subscription but go onto the wheel, because at least then I'll get a watch of my choosing. Because you get to pick, obviously, you get to pick which watches you want on the wheel, and whichever one it lands on, that's the watch you get. So if you're lucky, you might get a better watch than, you know, the money that you put into it. So anyway guys, I'm going to leave it here now. Disappointed again. So keep watching, hit that subscribe button, keep a lookout for the weekend's video, and I will, oh, hit that subscribe button, come on, it's just there, just press it. I'll see you all soon.